This is Cichon, the small town in Chepstow. Places like this show the historical and natural beauty of Wales. This beauty attracts film productions, whether big or small, one of the most famous examples being the entrance to the Batcave in Batman The Dark Knight Rises, which was recorded in Henryd Falls in the Brecon Beacons. Wales is a hot spot for film productions, and they're always looking for new talent to hire, which is where you come in. You may not have experience in this sort of field, but join the crew at Skill Cymru and let that story write itself. Skill Cymru consists of media professionals training people like you to become a media professional. So what are you waiting for? Apply now at www.skillcymru.com.